That part of the handgun designed in a metal tube through which the bullet is fired. A. Grip. B. Frame. C. Barrel. D. Rifling. Answer C. Barrel. The main advantage of the double action revolver over the single action revolver is that A. It can be fired rapidly. B. It can be fired in a single shot. C. There is no recoil. D. Better firepower. Answer A. It can be fired rapidly. An automatic weapon that can fire from 400 to 1,600 rounds of ammunition each minute. A. Armalite. B. Uzi. C. Machine gun. D. Glock. Answer C. Machine gun. Technically speaking, the term ammunition refers to A. A group of cartridges or to a single unit or single cartridge. B. A complete unfired unit consisting of a bullet, cartridge, case, gunpowder, and primer. C. A single round. D. All of this. Answer D. All of this. It includes rocket launchers and such mounted guns as howitzers, mortars, anti-aircraft guns, and naval guns. A. Gunnery. B. Artillery. C. Musketry. D. Ballistics. Answer B. Artillery. It is the soft guiding metal which serves as the container of priming mixture, paper disc, and anvil. A. Primer cup. B. Primer mixture. C. Paper disc. D. Battery cup. Answer A. Primer cup. It is the examination and testing of firearms by a recognized authority according to certain rules and stamped with a mark to indicate that they are safe for sale and used by the public. A. Provisional proof. B. Proof marks. C. Skid marks. D. Slippage marks. Answer B. Proof marks. When the bullet first starts forward without turning, that before the bullet can begin to turn, it moves forward a small distance, and this makes the front of the groove in the bullet wider than the rear part, which leaves an impression called A. Provisional proof. B. Proof marks. C. Skid marks. D. Slippage marks. Answer C. Skid marks. A mechanism in a revolver that swivels out and supports the cylinder. A. Trigger spring. B. Trigger guard. C. Yoke. D. Anvil. Answer C. Yoke. A photograph of the crime scene is a factual reproduction and accurate record of the crime scene because it captures time, space, and A. Person. B. Event. C. Thing. D. Crime scene. Answer B. Event.